How to replace a toner cartridge in the HP Laser 100 and MFP 130 printer series. Replace toner cartridges when a toner low message displays. If equipped, lift the scanner assembly and then lift the toner cartridge access door. Remove the toner cartridge from the printer using the handle. To prevent toner transfer, avoid touching the drum on the cartridge. Set the cartridge aside for recycling. For more information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the replacement cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge by the sides and shake it side to side to evenly distribute the toner. Lift and remove the protective cover from the cartridge. Slide the cartridge into its slot in the printer until it clicks into place. Close the cartridge access door and, if necessary, close the scanner assembly, and then continue printing.